A spray gun lance is like the ultimate extension of your cleaning or painting power, designed to take your pressure washer or spray gun to the next level. Imagine trying to clean your driveway, reach the highest spots on your house, or paint those tricky corners without the right tool. It would be a nightmare. Enter the spray gun lance, the unsung hero of these tasks. This handy attachment is basically a long, sturdy tube that connects to your spray gun or pressure washer, giving you extra reach and control. Whether you're blasting away dirt, grime, or old paint, the lance helps you direct the water or paint exactly where you need it, with precision and ease. It's like having a superpower in your hands, turning tough jobs into simple, satisfying tasks. But the fun doesn't stop there. A good spray gun lance often comes with adjustable nozzles, letting you switch between a fine mist for delicate jobs or a concentrated jet for heavy-duty cleaning. It's like a magic wand that adapts to whatever you're working on. Need to wash your car, clean out the gutters, or give your garden fence a fresh coat of paint? No problem. The spray gun lance makes these jobs quicker, easier, and, dare we say, actually enjoyable. With its ergonomic design, it's comfortable to use for long periods, so you can tackle even the biggest projects without breaking a sweat. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever got by without it.